Happy New Year. I'm Jamie Gallagher, the President and CEO of Faber-Castell USA. I just want to take a minute this afternoon to share with you how honored we are to have once again been named Color Pencil of the Year by Color Pencil magazine for our Polychromos line of color pencils. Not only did we win the award this year, but it's especially gratifying to know that it's the second consecutive year that we've been honored with this award for the Polychromos line. Once again showing that Polychromos truly is the best of the best. What's really gratifying also about this award is that it's further evidence that we are absolutely on the right track in delivering on our mission. And our mission is to enrich people's lives through creativity and self-expression. This award shows that we are on the right track. So thank you to Color Pencil magazine. Thank you to our sales team. Thank you to our loyal customers and the loyal consumers who back and support Polychromos and Faber-Castell on a regular basis. So thanks again, everyone, and here's to a great 2020.